Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back again with another get ready with me video. I am going to show you how I do this natural eyeshadow with big bold lashes and a natural lip. It's the looks that I've been really into lately. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Good morning. So I already finished washing my face and I'm gonna go ahead and put on my moisturizer. So first off, I am going to use my Water Drop Hydrating Cream. My skin, it varies from days to days. There are days where all I need is just a little bit of hydrating cream, but there are days where I need extra moisture. That's when I would use the Clinique Moisturizing Cream. But yeah, today we'll go with this. Next, I am going to use primer. I usually don't put primer all over my face, just on the area that I need to blur my pores. Moving on to the next step, which is a step that I am most excited about, which is my foundations. It is the Huda Beauty foundations. I heard a lot of good things about this and finally I get a chance to try it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face and use my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. This foundation smells like perfume. It's so nice. As you can see, it blends out very easily. Moving on to concealer. As you know from my previous video, I am in love with the e.l.f. concealer. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, around my nose, and my mouth to brighten those areas. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lightly dust my face with some translucent powder, just to set everything in place. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm going to use a concealing brush with some concealer to clean up my brows. Then I'm applying some lip balm just to prep them for lipstick. Using an eyeshadow brush and this light brown color, I'm going to apply that all over my lid using a patting motion. Then using a crease brush and this burgundy sparkly color, I'm going to apply that onto my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyeliner. Just a small tip, what I like to do is to hold a small mirror down here so I can look down while I draw my liner. This is to help you from blinking and also to see what you're doing and relaxes your eyes. Now I am going to glue on my lashes. First I'm gonna put the glue on and wait for it to dry. And just like the liner, I'm gonna go ahead and hold a mirror down here also, putting my lashes on while my eyes looking down. What a big difference lashes can do, isn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of my eye very quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that both eyes are almost done, I'm gonna go ahead and use a crease brush and grab a little bit of a dark brown eyeshadow and apply it right on the outer corner of my eye. It really helps deepen up the crease, and I like to do this after liner and after lashes just so that I have a better idea of where my crease will be after lashes is on. Now I will grab the burgundy color that I had earlier and put it underneath my eyelid. Then I will contour on my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead area. For this look, I don't have any peachy blush, so I will dip my contouring brush into a peachy eyeshadow color and put it on my cheeks. And last but not least, I am going to use my trusty Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha liquid lipstick. You can never go wrong with this color. And last step, I am going to spray a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus and I'm out the door. Alrighty, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.